Hi, I'm Giulia Broglia. I'm from Quit, a company in Emilia-Romagna which fosters innovation for companies in Italy. Today we are here for Nuclei project, a European project related to innovation and technology transfer, as Quit is the coordinator. Today we focus on additive manufacturing because we believe that it will be the future of manufacturing, and we would like to help companies to understand how to use in the best way these new technologies.
We are really happy to host here in Bologna the seminar concerning additive manufacturing in the framework of the Nuclei Interreg program that is led by Crete and in which we are partner. We are the in-house providing company of the Emilia-Romagna region and of the universities located in the region, and as such we support very much the implementation of new technologies in our company, and the additive manufacturing is one of the manufacturing technologies that we strongly support to be implemented in our companies.
Hello, my name is Edwin van der Einde. I'm working for TNO in the Netherlands. I'm working on additive manufacturing and especially to make the technology ready to make functional parts. And this is reducing cost and improving the quality of the parts.
Hello, my name is Martin Holland. I'm with the ProSep company and I'm talking to you today in my task as the project manager for the Sample project. Sample stands for Secure Additive Manufacturing Platform, and what we do is we provide a license to print using the blockchain technology. So someone is sent a print file, like a print shop gets a file and he's going to produce a spare part, and by using the blockchain technology we license him to print it, for example, 4 times, and by means of security and secure elements his printer is incorporated in this chain of trust, and only if it's the right printer he can print the part as often as possible as allowed in the license, and by this means we prevent the making of illegal copies. So it's a very interesting project. If you need more information, take a look at our website www.sample/3d.de.
I am Paolo Veronesi from the University of Modena. I'm a metallurgist. Okay, additive manufacturing is also pushing forward material research since we are developing new alloys for additive manufacturing, but also taking advantages of the fact that we can use additive manufacturing to couple materials and shape to obtain new high-performance materials. In this framework, more and more companies are using additively manufactured products because they can really improve their performances not only by new materials but also by the benefit of having exactly the material where it is needed. And maybe in the future we will also see some multi-material applications which will foster even further the material research.